Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily restore default font setting on Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to your Start menu and type Control Panel. Simply double click on to open the application. Here at the top right corner, type Font. Click on the font file, go to font setting from the left hand side menu and toggle on the feature of hide font based on language setting and click on restore default font setting. Also toggle on the feature of allow font to be installed using a shortcut and click on OK. And that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to restore your default font setting on Windows. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.